Hello friends. Let's make some pillows out of placemats today. It's a very easy project and inexpensive. Any placemats will work, but we're using Dollar Tree placemats today. And you'll need one per pillow. And from the sewing kit, you need the thread, the needle, and the scissors. Also some polyfill or stuffing from an old pillow. Now let's get started on this very easy project. Now on the back side, you'll see the stitching there around the placemat. And what you want to do is clip away about a 5-inch section of that stitching so that you'll be able to stuff the pillow with your polyfill and get your hand in there to fill all the corners. Once the pillow is as fluffy as you want it to be, you just need to sew up that gap. Or if you don't sew, it's perfectly fine to use the liquid adhesive. You just want to clip those stitches down with the clothespin until they dry. There you go. It's that simple to turn placemats into pillows. I have seen pillows in the stores for as high as $24.99, online as high as $69.99. So this is absolutely an easy way to save some money and have pillows in your home for different seasons. Here at Southern Sisters, we enjoy showing you creative ways to save money and be frugal in your home decor. Please subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel so we can continue to share all of our ideas with you. Thank you for watching today, and until next time, so long.